Why are my screens fucked up? Alright, noties. Oh, fuck. Not what I wanted. Copy. And then Twitter. Okay, what's on the list to do today? Where's my book? Fuck, I lost it. Maybe I should get like a to-do Google Docs. Oh, we got coding notes. Yeah, make a things to do doc. I need some tunes. Okay. Yeah, what's up, Anthony? How are we doing today, bud? Alright, I'll put this on. Oh shit, that's fine. Okay. How should I organize this? Maybe... just break it down into separate categories. Oh, you can add a sub-tab? No way, that's so cool. I didn't know that. Alright, design... Okay. I think it's probably fine for now, right? I'd say so. Alright, I'll put a game on for y'all. I'm waiting on Giant Bat to get on, so I'm just trying to handle what I can at the moment. I could probably figure out how to load the new UI. Probably. Yo, Brandon is still queuing Storm. Shout out to Brandon. Okay. Dude, am I stupid? How? Oh, this doesn't show up. Okay. Let's put this over here then. I think I'll probably figure out the new UI myself. I need to keep testing myself to be sure I'm staying true. Anthony, what do you think about minions being school specific? Okay. Alright, this looks all tidy. I talked to Fallen today. So he's gonna be working on the wand, I think, and I still need to hear from Wolf about the spell we made. He's still on vacation though. It's kind of like inactive. Yo, what's up, Red Belt? I couldn't tell you, Red Belt, honestly. Red Belt, do you have a way to talk to the dead? Do you have a way? I should turn this up a bit. What is it? Was it Insidious they try to do that? I need to rewatch those horror movies. It's been so long. I think it's Insidious where they try to do that, right, chat? What the fuck am I looking at? Alright, so I made this tab. Can you guys even see this? Yeah, okay. So I made a whole different document for us. Then I can make a list of stuff that we have done, that we need done. Just to organize it better. Red Belt, what's something about Wiz that you wish you could improve? I'm curious what you have to say because you don't really do PvP. So. Oh, okay. That's strange. Maybe I'm just tripping. I'm just gonna stop while I'm ahead. Okay. Where's Giant Dad, bro? He was on earlier. Okay, I guess. What can I do? I can work on the design. Like the subclasses and the identities. Damn, bro. Poor Brandon. I have no idea how Brandon hasn't quit, bro. Maybe he's new to Storm. Maybe he just got into it, so he hasn't like been through it like we have. This poor guy. How many games has he played? 40? I don't know. What is this guy saying? This is funny. And people wonder where I get my video ideas from. Just existing. This is so funny. Bro, this has to be staged. Oh, it's a pink cat. Okay. I think I'm gonna work on the UI. Wait, I'm confused. Which one is saying which? I feel like they're both saying the same thing, but they're just mad at each other. This reminds me of what I just experienced. Okay. Did Brandon get a game again? Dude, Brandon gets instant queues. Bro. In what world do we live in where that's a good move? God, this game is something, man. Okay, I need to fix this for y'all again. How am I gonna do this? Oh lord. And then... Was it window capture I did? I thought window cap... No, I don't think window capture works. Display capture? I think maybe it's like this. I learned this from Hermix. Shout out Hermix. I mean, logically on paper, Brandon's set up pretty well here, but I mean, he's about to lose half his health and get stunned. Like, all she has to do is brace, but she didn't. Okay, yeah, that's a terrible move. I wish I could fight people like this. Okay. Put my whiz on the other screen. Bro's packing JD. Alright, load, engine load. Holy shit. Okay. So first I need to do is... Oh fuck. Go to UI. I need to add this to the content browser. I haven't even saved the thing yet. Failed to import. Okay. So it needs to be a different format then. I'm actually really vibing at this new health bar. Alright. I'm gonna see if Young Bell can fix it for me. Okay, well, while we're ready on that, what else can I do? Where did we leave off? Oh, right, we're working on the combat. I feel like if I touch something, Giant Dad's definitely gonna get mad. Yeah, I need to work on fixing this up. Okay, so I need to go to... Blueprints, not Battle Circle. Widget, I think? Okay, yeah, it's this that's fucked up. What happened to our card, though? Like the black one? I'm like low-key kind of confused by that. What was our card called? Bro. Okay. Is it not a texture? Is that why? Alright, giant that, so he'll be here soon. No, it's right here. So why don't I see it? Okay, so what if I do that? What happens? Does that change the whole thing? Nope, the owl's still on. Okay, so that means... And... I don't need this. If I remember correctly, what happens is the cards spawn into the hand. That's why they're not here. I'm pretty sure. So I think what's happening is we're calling the owl. So is that in the code? WB card, yeah. Also, I just need to just do that. No, still the owl. Okay. Oh wait, I see the problem. Wait, I'm so confused though. Where is the owl? I'm so confused where the owl is. I got rid of the owl. I'm so confused. I had put another game on. Okay. What was Giant Dad saying? I got saved by a noob. Okay, he's fucking tweaking. He's low-key tweaking. Okay. So yeah, now like you can see here the owl is still on the card widget, right? But I thought I just asked it as unsafe changes. No way, what? I compiled it. Oh. No way or is that? Wait, oh my god, no way. No, it's still here. Bro, what the fuck is going on? How do I get rid of these? Oh, I know what it is. 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 Okay. I don't know how to get there. It's the new thing when we make new spells. That's what it is. Oh, what the fuck was it? What was it called? These things, but it wasn't there. Data struct? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, here we go, chat. Here we go. This is what we wanted. Okay. Water elemental. You love it, man. You love it. I don't know what this is gonna do. But I guess I'll leave that for now. Okay, so if I set all of these to what we want it to be, I think it'll work. But I'm confused though, because I set it in the other thing. Okay, save. Okay, so now when I walk in, it shouldn't be the owl. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. I have the owl icon, but it just doesn't appear. I don't know what that's about. This is the best meta ever, Dave. Rip Dave Opus, bro. We miss Dave. What I'm confused about right now, though, chat, is... What I'm confused about is why the cards don't look different. I mean, obviously they're so small you can hardly see them, but I can see that it says 4 instead of 10. So I'm confused as to why it's not getting the data to put on the pip area. Variables, maybe? Art, spell name. Wait, this must be it. Info cost. I think. Remember when people were like, we want minions back in PvP? It's honestly, I find it kind of funny. Everyone who is like, we want minions back, they just like, they're like, no, not this way. Not like this. It's pretty funny. Okay, so I need to go to data. Okay, well, I have the name as Storm Owl, but it's still appearing as Giant Dad, so something isn't right with the variable struct. Nah, you don't gotta apologize, Panda. I mean, when I did that stream, I knew it was probably a bad idea, but I did it anyways, so that's on me. That's on me. I also think like one of the worst things I did on that stream was the title, because like the whole thing that happened, if you just look at the title and watch a 10-second clip, it's like that's all people need nowadays to be like, oh, cancel this guy, you know? But I mean, like I said for a while now that the Crown Shop has gotten more updates than the actual game. Like a random day a month or two ago, there's like 6 new items in the Crown Shop. And I was like, wow. So a random day of the year gets more updates than PvP in the entire year, you know? All I did was change the word, and then everyone's like, you're such a bad guy. It's like, okay. But yeah, no, I understand what I did wrong. The title is just the Reddit post. Yeah, it's an out of context clip, and the title will do it. I think I also just underestimated people's ability to look into things. I don't know. I think it's just the TikTok attention span. If you want me to be real, like people will like genuinely see a title and like a fucking clip 10 seconds out of 3 hours and be like, yeah, this guy's this, you know. But yeah, no, I appreciate it, Panda. I hope you're doing good, bud. I'm just trying to figure out I'm trying to figure out how to get my card to work, man. Giant Dad's not here, so I'm just trying to figure it out myself. Okay, so my issue here, what is my issue? So I go into combat. Oh wait. Oh my god, I wish they weren't so small. Wait, no, I'm trolling. I'm trolling, chat. I'm trolling. It says Storm Owl. So wait, that part is working. So I think the problem is... Okay, I think, holy fuck, I actually feel smart for once. Okay, hold on. Right, because we went into the graph of the card, right? We checked here. Right, then we got our variables. The R is like kind of whatever, but the name, so the name is translating. And the reason the pip cost isn't translating because we don't have the info, we don't have this set up. Now, do I want to try to figure this out myself? I can do it. I can do it. What is it? I need... What the fuck is it called? Variables type, spell name, rich data. What is it called? It's called info. Oh, then you go check the data. What is the name for it? The pip. It's called cost. Okay. So why isn't cost in here? The add variable, maybe? What? Shit, dude. What if... Okay, no, hold on, hold on. I remember you're checking is variable. Where was that? Is it in here? Okay, here's cost, integer, right? Where was that? What's in here? One of these? Okay, right here, right here, chat, right here. Is variable is off. Okay, so put it on. Yo, dude, Giant Dad's gonna be so proud of me if I actually cook this, dude. I'm proud of me, honestly. I couldn't even figure out where where things were like a week or two ago. Okay, so now it should pop up. So if I go back into here and I go to the graph. Yes! Oh my god, yes, I fucking did it. Yes, chat. Yes! Let's go. Let's fucking go, boys. Okay, so yeah, pips. Wait, why isn't it green? Okay, I'm supposed to plug this into here. Fuck. Where do we go from here, chat? Okay, so this went into set text, and this went into... Okay, set lost? No way, it's set... Is it set text? Promote, what does this do? Oh, fuck no. Oh no, I'm sorry, I take it back. Let bro cook. Watch the video today, Jam, and I explained it in a minute and a half. I mean, this still isn't right though, chat. This is pink. We need this to be green. Oh. What the fuck? What did I just do? I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Does this work? Yo, chat, I'm gonna go fucking drink some liquor if I actually make this work. Like, I'm gonna be like in tears with how proud I am. With how proud I am, bro. If I make this work. Okay, so... Okay, info cost. Right, the value. Is it because this isn't? I don't think it's that. Oh my god, chat, I did it, oh my god, wait, no fucking way, oh my god, yo, I'm about to drink right now. No fucking way, dude. Okay, hold on. Let me switch, like, the numbers for, like, different cards. Like, 6 pips, 10, I don't know, like 4. So is that 4, 10, 6. Yo, chat. I fucking did it. I'm going to get liquor right now. I'm the goat. I'm the fucking goat. I know you guys can hardly see it. I can hardly see it too. Holy shit. I'm the goat. Where's my liquor? Let's go. Hey bud, what's up? Holy shit, I'm so happening. I'm so happy. I can't celebrate if you don't tell me. I figured out on my own how to fix a bug. I know. I know it seems like nothing, chat, but you guys just saw me click it, bro. I'm so proud of myself. Giant Dad's gonna be so proud. Did I miss something? uh, what was the point of it? Okay, this was to make the pip cost work, basically. So the issue was, I couldn't figure out why the owl. I was trying to get rid of the owl and get like our actual card, right? And then I couldn't figure out why the pip wasn't working. So I was thinking like, okay. So I was looking around like the data, the card, the hand. I was like, wait, I think I'm missing the variable because Giant Dad always gets mad at me for not just dragging and dropping the variable into the graph, right? So I did my research, I looked at the data, and then I was like, yo, yeah, it's not a variable. So I enabled it as a variable, and I just dropped it, and I figured out the nodes myself, and now it works. I know it's so small, you guys can't tell, but it says 4, 10, and 8. I was basically trying to make it so there's different cards. That's basically it. Like, yeah. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself. We are shower bearing. Yeah, I took a sip of bourbon. I'm hyped. I'm so hyped, bro. Jammin, dude, how have you, bro? Jammin, I've made like 4 videos on this. How do you still not know? I would write something like that down. I don't, bro. I mean, I cooked. I figured it out, bro. I did it. I handled that shit myself. Okay. Okay, so I need to make the stuff bigger so we can actually see what we're looking at, chat. So I think for that, we need to go to hand. And the cards aren't here because they spawn in when you go into the fight, right? So what is the issue then? Card. It's making a good game. That's what it is. That's what it is. Okay. I need to... What does this do? What does all this shit do? Tint? Can I make the card red or something? Or green? That didn't do anything. Okay. Giant Dad? Is he here? He's not here yet. Giant Dad is he's the one who's taught me everything so far. I just did something, chat, and I don't know what I did. I'm gonna hope it's not a big deal. I'm gonna hope it was not a big deal, you know? Okay, so I need to make the card bigger because we can't see it. Okay, so how do we do that? Will I just mess with the scale of it? Like, let's make it fucking huge, bro. Oh, lord. Oh, it looks like ugly as fuck now. What the hell? Okay, well, for now, we'll deal with it looking like a fucking ugly mess. I just want to see if this actually makes it bigger. Oh, it does. Oh my god, that looks terrible. Okay, so that worked, but not really. Okay. Okay, bro. At least I'm looking in the right places, bro, you know? That's what matters here. So I'd probably take that down to like half, like 2.5. I'm just confused why it looks so bad. I think Giant Dad said something about avoid scaling for this purpose. Like, it looks worse. But I don't know the other way to do it. Okay, that's more reasonable. Maybe a little smaller. What do you think, chat? How is this game still going on, bro? Isn't there a fire in this game? What is the fire doing? Okay, I think two will suffice. Okay, I see this. Okay, I like that for now. I mean, the text is still small. But we'll figure that out eventually. So the next thing I need to do is move this. Well, no, not exactly. I need to fix the camera and lock it, and then move the cards and like separate them so they're not stuck together. Yo, what's up, Milo? How you doing? I want a misspell called Rat Jam. That's crazy, bro. Dude, I'm so happy. I know like you guys are watching this, you know, that's nothing, but bro, like, dude, you have no idea how happy dude, I haven't felt this happy in a long time. This is awesome, bro. I fixed my first bug all by myself, without Giant Dad here. I feel so smart and capable. Do you watch anime? Nah. I have a horror story for anime though. Basically, when I was about 14, I think, a cousin from Alberta, which is like west coast of Canada. Think of like Montana if you're America. Okay. They came out and I had to babysit them, and they loved anime. So I'm like, all right, let's watch anime. And I was never a fan of it, but bro, that anime like actually caused my brain to implode. I'm not even kidding, chat. Like, it was really bad. Like, what it did to my brain. So ever since that day when I was 14, I've been traumatized by anime, low-key, bro. Like, even like Overwatch, like, it's kind of like anime-y, kinda. But like, that's the reason why it took so long to get into Overwatch, because I was so traumatized by that. So yeah, there you go. There's a horror story. Love the Canada people. Yeah, I mean, when Val was in Canada, she was like, wow, everyone is so nice. You should watch Euphoria. Yeah, I think we watched the first season of that. I don't know, it's been a while. Can't wait for Wizard 103. Bro, you're funny. Okay, so yeah, don't mind the scale of these. Now, I need to figure out how to move this. So, my theory is Giant Dad said it's anchored to the middle, which is why it's in the middle, dipshit, right? So I'm gonna go back to card. Maybe it's in hand. It might be in hand. I don't know, but I'm gonna go here. And what is this? Fill. Where's anchors? How do I find anchors, chat? Anchor. Is it in hand? Anime is cringe. I mean, there's some good ones for sure. I've heard they have like really good storytelling and shit, some of them. It's just, I don't know. I feel like I literally get a headache watching it. Even if it's good, it's not for me. And that's okay. You know? I'm not gonna go tell you guys to fucking off yourself because you don't like Storm, you know? Anchor. Is this it? Uh-oh, where'd it go? Shit, I lost it, chat. I just had it. Where did it go? Slot? Anchor? Okay, so I think this is what Giant Dad gave me for the anchor metrics. Now, the problem is I don't know how. I mean, if I just click this, what happens? Right, let's just do that. And just see what happens. Oh my god, I'm falling through the map again. I don't like Storm. That's funny, that's funny. That didn't do shit. Okay, well, I tried. Okay. I was in what hand? No, it was this hand. Well, I'm wondering. These numbers stayed the same, right? So I put it over here, but these stayed the same. So I wonder if I do this. We changed these, but nothing happened. So if I just fuck with this, right? I don't know what's about to happen.